This is the rotatory pen feeder for the P line. As we can see, it's composed by 3 magazines. Each magazine has its own analog sensor that is there and its own stepper motor. The analog sensor is useful because we can detect 3 different elements. We can detect the hole, the disc, or the pen. These are the stepper motors. The stepper motors are rated for 5 volts. They can be used with 24 volts by using limiting resistors for limiting the current. Okay, so we can command each of the magazines independently. For example, I will move the one in the right to find the next pen. For example, I will move the one in the left, and it will find the next pen that is gonna be the green color. It's possible also to retrieve the status of the magazines, to know how many pens are in each magazine and the position of these pens. This is done from the user interface and can be invoked by it's invoked by one web service message. So as we can see in the user interface, it plots or highlights the position of the pens and how many pens it's in each of the magazines. This information, the information that is in the real world, is passed to the application. We also have some logging list, so we can see the status of the magazines. We can know how many pens are in each magazine and the time at which this status was retrieved. One thing that's important to mention is that when we perform one operation for rotating the magazine, we are rotating the magazines first one cycle so that the first steps are not so oscillatory. By doing this, the stator and the rotator of the stepper motor are synchronized and we have a smoother movement. That's why we perform one cycle before doing the operation.